You won't believe this free AI turns text and videos into realistic sounds. Meet Audio X. From ocean waves to epic orchestras, typing sounds to EDM beats, Audio X makes it all. Just type it or upload a video. Want sound effects? Try a motorcycle drives down the road. You'll hear it. Need music? Ask for suspenseful orchestral or 8-bit chiptune done. And for videos? Upload a clip and AudioX detects what's happening, then generates sound that actually matches the visuals. It's open source, free, runs locally, and only needs a CPU or 4 gigabytes of VRAM. Plus, it performs better than other tools across most sound benchmarks. AudioX is like having your own AI sound studio. For creators, editors, and developers, it's a total game changer.